The Freeform Text Entry question functions almost identically to the graded fill-in-the-blank question, with one key difference. The graded fill-in-the-blank question includes a built-in title text field where you enter the question, statement, or directions. The Freeform Text Entry question does not. That doesn't mean you can't include instructions. It just means you must create the text box yourself in Slide View. This difference is reflected in Form View. You'll only see the options and feedback sections. Even if you add your own instruction text box on the slide, it will not appear in Form View because Storyline does not treat it as part of the question structure. Like the graded fill-in-the-blank question, you will enter the correct answer exactly as you want it evaluated. You can also determine whether capitalization matters. In most cases, capitalization should not matter. But if you're building something like an access code slide, where accuracy is the point, you may want to require exact capitalization. You'll also want to account for plausible spelling variations. If you don't, Storyline will mark the response incorrect, even if the learner simply mistyped a letter. For example, desert and dessert are not the same thing. But if someone accidentally types two S's when they shouldn't, or forgets one when they should, Storyline won't assume intent. It evaluates exactly what you define, which means precision is your responsibility.